Okay, you can see this is a 3-inch cast iron trap, and I shoved it into a 4-inch clay tile. This is the main storm line. They put a Y there, and they just shoved this in there all crooked into the Y that needs a fitting, and they just covered it up with clay, with dirt. It's all pitched crazy. And see, I'm gonna cut that out of there and see if we can do something with that. Now take that Y out of there. Okay. Oh, this line is full of mud. Oh boy. I don't know, there might be enough meat on there to turn it into a... Oh yeah, there's about a 1/2 inch on there. No. Yeah, there's enough meat to get a connector on that. Just gotta cut it nicely. You're probably not gonna want to see how I do this, but a sawzall, you could use a sawzall, you could break little chunks off. That's pretty risky. I'm gonna grind it. Okay, so there's enough meat on there to get this 4-inch clay to a PVC band on here, and then we can hook it up, hook some Schedule 40 PVC up to it, and put a trap in there. It's kind of funky because the Y is off on an angle a little bit, but I'm sure we'll get something on there to work. Okay, finish tightening that up. So we get this adapter in there and the trap.